Oh my god, it is slime. Yes. Oh my god. You should literally download this. Hey guys, it's Sparkless and today I am playing this app called Foam Slime. And as you can see, I am playing with the foam slime. It's I really like it. And let's make some slime then. So, let's probably do Fluffy. Right, wait. Okay. Looks so weird, but I've already tried this out, that's why I've got quite a lot of money. Right, so I'm gonna go with a blue. It doesn't look like slime, but like when you touch it, it's so nice. It still looks like sand right now, but just wait. So guys, I'm going to do foam. I just don't mind them. So we're gonna call it mermaid slime. Mermaid slime. Okay, let's play with it, guys. This is so fun. You guys should play this. And guys, I'll show you the other ones that I have made. So these are all this is the first one that I made. This one is with Orbeez. I don't have that. I called it queered. This one called queered slime, which made out of clear bubbles. And mermaid slime and magenta slime. These are classic. Here is the magical one. So that is. I'm not sure what type of slime this is. This one's really satisfying, guys. I love this slime. Now let's go and look at the other magical one. This one's water. Ooh, I like this one. But not that much because it's watery. Right. I want to look at the yucky ones because they do look yucky. Like, oh, this is the sticky slime. I'm not sure about this one. I don't like them. Let's try this grey one. It's probably going to be the same. No, it's not. It's just more airy. What the heck's going on? Oh, bubbles. Well. I don't know. I think that's a type of airy slime. Right guys, that's going to be the end of the video. And I hope I can see you later. Bye!